Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two large cap stock ideas from Morgan Stanley, which they believe could return anywhere between 25 to 35% over the next 1 year. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is HDFC Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 1984.85 and the face value for it is 2. The target price here by Morgan Stanley has been set at Rs 2550.00. The symbol for it is HDFCBANK. Morgan Stanley expects large banks to accelerate loan growth and improve spreads over the next 3 years. The large corporate lenders showed a decline in PPOP market share to 29% from 32% over 5 years ago. However, given the increasingly positive backdrop for larger banks compared to smaller peers and increased focus on retail, they expect the PPOP market share to rebound to 32% over the next 3 years. They have also increased their FY19 to 21 pre-provision operating profit CAGR forecast for large banks to 24% from 21%. Now the second stock on the list is State Bank of India Limited, which is available at Rs 255.65 and the face value for it is 1. The target price by Morgan Stanley here has been set at Rs 350. The symbol for it is SBIN. Now State Bank of India provides a range of products and services to personal, commercial enterprises, large corporates, public bodies and institutional customers in the banking area. Now as it's evident, the company really has not done much throughout the year and has largely been flat. There was huge optimism created around PSU banks when the government provided it with much needed liquidity. However, when the news of the PNB scam came out, the stock was butchered. Now the company is a large cap. However, over the last few months, it has not been going through a very good phase. And as it is evident from the financials here, the company has gone into losses, which indicates a very poor time for this company. The company has also not declared any dividends. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.